Hello, this is Leah Snell. The purpose of this training video is to provide an overview for all stakeholders on the assessments of numeracy at the elementary level and all other standards-based assessments of mathematics. Performance-based assessments are a critical component of a performance-based curriculum. Teachers in mathematics classrooms have the ability to help students master Georgia Performance Standards and Common Core State Standards next year, which are also known as Common Core Georgia Performance Standards. So because there's a huge emphasis on student performance, it's critical that teachers assess student performance throughout lessons as well. So performance-based assessments are an integral component of standards-based mathematics classrooms. These types of assessments promote critical thinking, communication, logical reasoning, and overall understanding of key standards that students are mastering. And ultimately, those ideas help ensure that students are ready for college and career, that they are critical thinkers, that they are reasoning logically, that they're able to communicate their mathematical ideas, and that they're able to show evidence of the standards for mathematical practice on a regular basis. We know that in 2014-15, we will be administering PARCC assessments. And a large part of the summative assessment through PARCC will be performance-based, where students will have to respond to particular performance tasks. And this is essential to begin the preparation in classrooms, in schools, with ensuring that students are ready to respond to types of assessments that are performance-based, because ultimately it helps to promote critical thinking and all of the behaviors, mathematical behaviors that we expect to see in proficient students. So next year we will be providing a bank of performance-based assessments that are somewhat pulled from the Georgia Department of Education, but that are also pulled from a number of other resources that teachers will begin to use as assessment items during specific units of study district-wide. These will accompany the curriculum maps that are provided and the pacing guides that will be provided in Angel. Some examples include culminating tasks from the Georgia Framework, the NCTM Navigation Series tasks, the Shell Center tasks, which PARCC is using to help develop those assessments, as well as exemplars. So we want to ensure that our teachers and our students are ready to perform appropriately on performance-based assessments.
Okay, this box represents all the cookies that Kathy made. Okay, according to the problem, who came in and stole some cookies?
Her brother.
Her brother did. How many did he take?
Half of them.
Half of them. So we're going to take half of them away. So that's one half of them gone, right? Okay. Now, half of these are gone. Who came in and scarfed some cookies next? Her sister did, right? How many did she take?
2/3 of the remaining.
2/3 of the remaining cookies. Okay. So that means out of this part, she took 2/3, didn't she?
Yes.
Okay. Who else came and jacked some cookies?
Her mom.
Mom did, yeah. She got half of what was left, didn't she?
Yes.
When Kathy and her dad got home, how many cookies were left on that plate?
5.
5. Isn't this all that's left right here?
Yes.
So isn't that the 5 cookies? All right, now, if this little piece right here is 5, how much is that little piece?
3.5.
No. Isn't this, look at the boxes. Isn't this box the same size as that box?
Yes.
Wasn't this half of that right there? So if this is half, this is half. So if this is 5, then
10.
this is 5, isn't it? Which means the whole thing right there is 10. So if that's 10, how much is this part up here? Wouldn't that be 10? Wouldn't that be 10? So this whole half over here is how much? 30. So we got 30 over here. And this is a half, isn't it? So if this is 30, how much is this? 30. So if that's 30 and that's 30, how much is the whole thing?
60.
So how many cookies did she make to start with?
60 cookies.
60 cookies. Okay?